You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce perfectly correctly the name of this cabaret music hall in Paris, France. If you want to learn more names of different places in Paris, we're going to be looking at more of them, so make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's break it down. In French, in France, in Paris it is said as folie, yes, so don't worry about all the letters at the end. It's French, so they are silent, so the E and the S are silent. Folie-Bergère, bergère meaning shepherd. I'm not sure why actually, but anyhow, Folies-Bergère is how it's said in France. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Folies-Bergère. Folies-Bergère, yeah, that'd be perfectly fine. Now you know, Folies-Bergère. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.